What's going on, YouTubers? Today I am working on my motorcycle. I have a Kawasaki EX500 4A motorcycle, 1993. I have gone through the engine. One of the problems that I had was that the cam cap bolts, get this thing to focus, were stretched. And I went everywhere, including Kawasaki, to get these bolts. I could not. So I went to the local hardware store and I bought my own. I bought 6mm by 1mm by 60 8.8 metric bolts. And then I took a die and I cut 1 inch of thread into the shank of the bolt, and now I have to cut off 1mm of end off the bolt to make it the specific size that this bolt is, which is 47mm. So there you have it. Those two are already done, but I'm making my own. The torque values on these aren't critical, but somebody torqued the daylights out of those and stretched them. These won't stretch. So just a hint, just a clue, in case you ever run into this problem. Have a good day.